Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I want to introduce to you this new forex trading and staking website. What you are seeing right now is the home page of the website, and it has the user side and it also have the admin side where every actions is controlled. So as you can see, the website is beautifully designed. It has different pages with all the details written on it already. And it has the login page and the registration page where users can register their accounts. So I'll log into the dashboard now with my demo account to show you how the dashboard looks like. So you can see right now, this is the user dashboard. So these places are still loading. They are still loading. So wait for it to load. You can see now they are coming up now. Okay, so these are all the trading assets which the user can trade with under forex. So in this website, the user can also trade under CFD. So when I click on CFD now, you see, so it's loading up now. Still loading. So you can see now these are all the assets available under CFD. You can see now. So right now I will choose crypto. So the user can also trade under crypto. The assets under crypto are loading now. You can see them now. They are loading. So these are all the assets under crypto. And again, under stocks, there are still other assets too. So I just clicked on stock now and it's loading. Still loading. Okay, look at them now. So look at the stocks. And when you click on features, you still have other assets. So all this asset has been defined already, and the user can actually click on anyone to trade. So you can see they can click on anyone to trade. So I'll go back to forex now. Go back to forex. So let me trade now with forex. Still loading. So I will use euro and USD. So I can either buy or sell. So I'll click on buy now. You can see right now it's asking me to input the amount which I want to use to trade. Asking me for the unit. So you can see unit 1 to unit 10 and the time. You can see different time there: 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes towards 1 day. Now when I click on open trade, I've successfully traded that amount under these assets now. So inside the user dashboard, the user have two types of accounts: the main account and the demo account. You can see right now this is demo account and this is the main account. And when the user sign up, the main account is 0 and the demo account is $50,000. So when the user gets signed up, he's giving $50,000 as a demo balance under the demo account. So when you go to trading packages now, you see the different trading packages which the admin has set. So it's the admin that will set this trading package, and the user can actually request for any of the trading package. So you can see this starter package now has been requested already by this user. So the user can switch again to another one, any other package. When you go to PL records, this includes all the trades this user has done. So you can see all the trades that this user have done. You can see now this includes all the trades. So I will also explain to you how this trade works. I will also explain to you. So when I'm done explaining that things, I'll come back to this trade and show you how this trade works. So you can see how this user has lost a lot of trade. So I'll also show you how a user can win a trade. So when you go to stake, you can stake on any of these cryptocurrency here. When you go down, you see the active staking here, the staking history. These are the active staking. So when you come here now, you can see when you click on this now, you see the currency here, Bitcoin. You say enter amount in what USD. You enter the amount which you want to stake. You can see now. You enter the amount. You can select the time. See now, when you select the time, the profit which you get will come out, and the ROI percentage what will come out. Then you can click on what stake to what register that staking. And when you go to stake history, these have all the staking which has been done by that what user. So these are what the active staking now, which means staking that has not what expired. Why this one are staking that has been what expired. So when you go to deposits, you see the various deposit method that is available for what that we allow the user what to deposit. So I can click on BTC, Ethereum, and when you click on BTC now, you can see the Bitcoin address will display. Click on Ethereum, the Ethereum address will display. You can see all these ones here will also what display. So you can put the amount, upload. When you're done making payments, you upload proof of payment, then you click on what's paid. Then when the admin approve the deposits and confirm the deposits, the admin will approve the deposits, and again your account will be what credited. So when you made a lot of profits, you can actually come to withdraw what your profit. So you can enter your Bitcoin address, you can select an amount, and you click on what withdraw, and your withdrawal history will what display here. When you go to your profile, you can edit your profile details here. So you edit your profile details here, and see right now upload verification document is actually pending, which means this user has not uploaded any verification documents. So the user can come here to upload documents, choose the type of document which he or she wants to upload, and when he or she clicks upload, the admin will actually approve the verification document, and this place will be shown what's approved. So when you go to security now, you can change your password here, change the password, and again when you see this place now, two-factor authentication is what's inactive, so you can actually turn on two-factor authentication. And when you turn on two-factor authentication, anytime you want to log in, a code will be sent to your email address. So it's actually a security for your account, a security measure for your trading account. So it's being turned off right now. We don't have to turn on this account now because it's a demo account. And when you click on support here, you can actually contact the admin or the operators of the website. You send them what a mail. So right now I'll go back to the market now. So I'll go back to the market now. I want to trade on any of these assets here, and I want the user to actually win the trade, because when you go to trading PL records now, the trading records, can see this trade was a lost trade. They actually lost trade. You can see right now we have two trades ongoing right now, and they are all lost trades. So I will show you how the user can actually win a trade. So let's go to the admin side now. So I just logged into the admin side now. You can see the statistics and the various actions here. So right now when you go to signal, you can see right now add signal and view what signal. So when you give the user a signal and the user trades with that signal, the user won't be able to lose that trade. So the user will always win the trade. So right now I can go to what add signal now. So I want to trade with this now. I want to trade with this euro and what USD. So euro and USD. I'll come and copy this signal now. Put it here. So the unit I want them to use is 2, and I will tell them to what buy, and the interval should be what 1 minute. So I'll put 1. The amount should be what 100 what USD, and I will save. So signal has been what created. So when you go to view signals now, so you can see the signal right now. So when you give this signal to a user and tell the user to trade with this signal, the user will not lose this trade. The user will definitely win the trade. So let's go now and trade with this signal. So I will buy now because it's what I signify what buy here, and the amount is what 100. The unit is what 2, and what 1 minute. So I'll click on open trade. You are about to open Euro and USD trade, so I'll click on yes. So trade placed successfully. So I'll come to PL records. So you can see right now, you can see the trade right now, you can see the trade now. So you can see now. So you can see, and you see now 100 USD was deducted from what my account. When I traded the 100 USD, it was deducted from my account. So in 1 minute, I will come back again to refresh this page to see if this trade will be a win. So I'll come back in 1 minute. So 1 minute has actually elapsed now. What I'll do now is I will refresh this page. I'll go to PL records again. So as you can see right now, this trade is actually what a win. So because the user actually trade with that signal the admin gave the user what won the trade. So when the user won the trade, the profit of $90 was made from the trade and added to the $100 the user used to trade, making it $190. So $190 became the total profit gotten from this trade, and it was added back to the user account. So you can see my profit, my account balance has what increased to 528 what USD. So that's how the trade works. So right now, what I'll do is I will show you all the other parts of the admin and what they do. So when you go to user management here, view all user, here you see all the user that has been what registered on the platform. So this is all the user that are registered on the platform. You can see them now. You can see them. So you can see the user. This user here not verified, which means the account has not been verified. So when you come to edit now, you can edit the user what details, edit the user demo details, life balance, every other what detail. So I'll go back now, and when you want to delete this account, you can click here to delete this what user account. And when you want to verify a user account, go to verify users. You can see now all the details submitted by the user will display here, and you can verify the user and or verify what's the user. So this signal part, I'll show you what the signal does. You can here add a signal and delete other what signals. And under wallet management, you can view wallets. You can see now view all the wallets here. You can also edit all your wallets what addresses here. So you can see plan request here, all the plan requests. Then you can what approve and delete also the plan request made by the user. So you can see right now stake active stakes. So you can see right now all the active stake will show here, and the stake history of all the stakes will display here. So when you go to deposit request, this shows all the deposits made by the user, and again you can approve the deposit or delete the what deposit requests. And when you want to approve withdrawal request, you go to withdrawal requests, approve this withdrawal request. Now you can see you spend it, you can click here to complete the withdrawal request. And when you go to manage plans, you can add a plan or can view all plans here. So these are what the trading plan the users can what request. So you can edit, you can update the plan here. We click on update and you click on update package to save it. And you can also delete what a plan. You can send message to all the users. You can send message to a particular user, and you can view all the messages that has been sent to you as an admin. And when you go to accounts here, you can edit your admin details, come to change password to change your what admin password. So this is how the website works. So what I will show you now is how you can actually set up this website for your clients and charge them a huge amount of money. So for you to be able to set up this kind of website, you need to have the script file of this website, you need to have your domain, and you need to have your hosting. So if you don't contact me through my WhatsApp number, which is under this video description here, so on how to get the website scripts. And again, if you want to get your domain name and your hosting too, you can also contact me. So now I will show you how you can actually set up this website now. So now I just logged into my cPanel. What I'll do now is scroll down to file manager. and I'll go to public_HTML. So you might want to upload yours under public_HTML, but I don't want to upload mine in public_HTML. What I'll do is I'll go into a folder and upload it inside a folder. So first of all, I will create the folder and I will call it forex trade. Then I'll go into that folder which I created. I will click on upload. I will select file now. I will select the word file. You can see right now it's uploading. So it's still uploading. So we just have to wait for it to finish what upload. So by the time you see the green color here, it means that it has fully been uploaded. So I'll go back now, I'll reload. I'll click on the file, I'll right click and click on extract. So right now it has been extracted. I will reload again to get the folder. I will enter the folder and select all files, then move it inside the folder which I want it to be. So you can see right now, what I'll do now is go to my link. Go to my link now. So you can see right now the website is what is loading. So the next thing I'll do now is to set up the database. And to set up database, you have to go into config folder. We edit db.php. You can see edit it. And you go to cPanel homepage again. What you have to do now is go to MySQL database wizard. You can see it here. Click on it and create a database. You can see forex trade DB. Then you open your notepad to save the database which you created. Here I'll put forex trade user. Then I will generate a password. Copy this password. I'll tick this and I'll save password. So I'll come here again, I'll save my password. I'll create user now. Copy the user which I create. I'll click on all privileges, then I'll scroll down and make what changes. So I copied, so these are my database details now. I'll copy my database name. I'll look for, you see DB name here, you place it here. The next one I'll copy is what? The username. You can see username. I'll paste it there. Then I'll copy my password. I'll paste it in password, then I'll save. The next thing is go back to your home page again and search for PHP my admin. So to be faster, you just have to search. You can see PHP my admin. So these are databases. Yours won't be like this. So if yours is actually a new hosting, it will have just one database, which is the one you created. So mine is not the new. It's not a new hosting. So I'll go and look for the database which I created now. You can see forex trade DB. I will click on it. I'll go back to my file manager. I'll go back. Okay. Then you can see all the files there. You will see SQL folder. You will download this database.sql. And you come here, you import, you select the file and select database, and you open, then you import. So it's importing now. still importing. So import has been successfully finished. So you can see, you can see these are all the database or tables. So what I'll do next is I'll log into my admin now, so that I'll do all the necessary settings on the website. So to get the admin is your domain name. If you actually install inside the folder, it will be your domain name / the folder / uadmin. But if you don't install inside the domain, which is if you install inside the public _ HTML, it will be your domain name / uadmin / sign in. Is it sign in? So let me check. Uadmin folder. So it's login. So uadmin / login.php. So this is what admin login page now. If you go back to your database, click on admin to get the admin login details. So you can see, copy the admin email, copy the admin password, and you log in. Then you go to what? Settings. You put in your link. You put in the link now. So I'll put in my link. Let me copy that well. Put in my link. Don't add slash. Then change the name to what? Then email. So email. I'll go to email accounts. You have to set that mail so that your users will be able to receive mail. So if you don't have email accounts already, you have to create one here. You select the domain name, you input your email username, you put the password. So I don't want to create anyone right now. What I'll do is I'll just copy the one I've been using. So I'll paste here and I'll save. You can see settings updated successfully. So what next is I'll make sure that my PHP version is actually 7.4. So I'll go to PHP manager. So if you can't select PHP version, search for PHP manager. So this is the domain name I am using. Where is the domain name I'm using? Okay. Yeah, you can see this is the domain name I'm using. So you have to make it to be 7.4. 7.4. So now it's in 7.4. I'll go back again and I will reload. So right now I will create an account, and you can see try demo. You can see I'll create an account now. Put in the first name, put in last name, put in email address, put in a phone number, select the gender. Yeah, just choose the country. Now input what password. I'll select terms and conditions and click what sign in. So you can see right now, welcome Henry, two-factor authentication. So I will have to input the OTP so that I'll be able to get authenticated. So I'll go to the mail now. So I went to my mail to copy the OTP code. Now this is it. Then I will click authenticate. So as you can see right now, my registration was successful and I've been redirected to the dashboard. So you can see right now, I was given $50,000 in my demo account. So you can see right now, I can switch here to my main account now. So you can see right now. So what I'll do now is I will trade with a demo account. So I'll go back to the admin now and I'll check the signals that are there. So So the signal that is here in the admin is BTC and what USDT, $1,000. Interval is 1 minute. The unit is 1. So I'll do what? I'll look for what? BTC and USDT. So that will be under crypto. So this is both BTC and what? USDT, and direction is buy. So I'll buy now. I'll put in the amount of $1,000. I will select one. I'll select 1 minute, and I'll open what? The trade. Click on yes. As if trade placed what? Successfully. So you can see right now I'm using a demo account. Trade type is what? Demo to trade. So while this trade is actually counting, I will go to deposit to fund what? My account. So I'll go to deposit now. I'll choose so let it load first. I'll choose BTC. I'll put in the amount I want to deposit. I'll put in 10,000. So let's say I've already made payments now. I'll just scan here and make payments. I will go and upload my proof of payments now. So I'll just come here, look for a receipt image. Okay. Say note, only click paid after making payment to the above what address. So now I have made payments, just for example, and I can copy the wallet address here. You can see copied, and I'll make what? Payment. You can see deposit has been what? Submitted. As you can see right now, deposit has been what? Submitted. So I think it's up to 1 minute already, and let me check back my trade. Check back my trade. So I'll check back my trade now. You can see trade what? Won. You can see it now. Trade won. You can see that, right? Trade won. So because I actually traded with this signal gotten from what? The admin. So by the time I don't trade from with the signal, so let me trade with the without the admin signal now. So I'll trade on this first one here. Let me check what is the first one. So you can see now I'll buy. So let me say this time now. Trade on 1,000 again. Select unit 1 and 1 minute. So I'll open this trade. So you can see right now the trade is what? Counting. So while this trade is counting again, let me go to the admin side and approve that deposit. So I'll go to deposit request. So this is deposit. I can click on receipt now. So when you click on proof of payment, you view the what? The receipt. View the receipt. So you click here now, you see what? Approve. You see right now approved successfully. So what I'll do now is I'll go back to the admin side. I'll load up my dashboard again. You can see my main balance now is what? 10,000 what? USD. So 10,000 USD now. So what I will do now, I will switch to what? I will switch to what? The main balance. So my main account. Now switch to main. So right now I've switched to my main balance now. No, it's no longer in a demo account. You can see 10,000 now. So you can see it. So what I'll do now is I'll go back to trade now. So you can see this trade was a lost trade because I didn't trade with the signal for the admin. So you can see right now it's a lost word trade. So that is it for the trading, and that is it for what? The deposits. So what I'll do now is I'll go to stake. Let me show you how the stake works. So I will stake on BNB. I'll click on stake here. I'll put in the amount I want to stake. I'll put in 1,000. I'll select 3 days. I will click what? Stake. So stake has been what? Placed. Let's scroll down now. You can see this stake is what? Active. That stake is active. So the 1,000 was actually deducted from my balance. So one stake is what? Active. You can see now. You can see it. So after 3 days, by the time it elapsed, you can see after 3 days the profit will be added to my balance. So I can go to withdrawal now to make a withdrawal. So I put in a BTC address, put in amount of, for example, let me put in 300. Now you can see your account needs to be verified before you can withdraw. So I need to verify my account, and to verify my account I'll go to profile. You can see account is not verified yet, so I'll click on this. I'll select ID, so I'll look for ID photo. So let me just use this for the tutorial. So I'll click on international passport and we upload. So your verification document has been submitted. I'll go to the admin side now and go to user management and verify users. So you can see right now, this was the document which I submitted. I can click on what? Verify. So by the time I go back to the admin side now, I can what? Reload the profile page. I can see my account has been verified. Account has been verified. So I'll go back to withdrawal now. I'll input the BTC address again. I'll put in an amount of 100 and I'll click withdraw. You can see withdrawal request has been placed. So this is the withdrawal history here. This is withdrawal history here. I'll go to the admin side now. Go to withdrawal request. You can see right now and I want to complete it. So I come here and reload. You can see withdrawal request has been completed. So this is how the website was, and I'm fully convinced you that this is actually a good system, a good website. So if you want the website script, all you have to do is contact me through my contact details, which is under this video description. So, and also if you have any difficulty installing this script, also contact me for assistance. Thank you very much for watching. See you all in my next video.